Model measures for the protection of places of worship in Punjab. Church representatives express satisfaction. We appreciate the positive steps taken by Mariam Nawaz and Sohail Sokhera across the province regarding the sanctity and security of all places of worship. The decisions made particularly to address the concerns of the church and the Christian community are highly commendable. In this regard, an important district level meeting was held in the Civil Police Lines, Faisalabad, chaired by RPO Faisalabad. All church in charges participated in the meeting. Representing the Holy Trinity Catholic Church, Major Pervez presented several key points related to church security. These included ensuring the protection of the church's security cameras, preventing the display of any advertisement on church walls, and prohibiting push carts or any unrelated vending points within at least a 200-foot radius around the church. The RP Faisalabad took immediate notice of these points and assured that they would be addressed on a priority basis.